Hey guys, Robert Murphy from Holistic Healing Choices here. Now today's video is going to be a lot less informational or beneficial to you, but what I want to talk about today is, are you addicted to drama? It's something that I'm seeing more and more and more in society, not just locally but globally as well. Now what I'm talking about here is, people love to bitch, complain, whinge about other people, other things. They like to create these little scenarios where things are already going to go wrong, or this person's going to be, at them, or whatever the case may be there. But also, our TVs are just filled with this fake, unneeded, useless drama that just creates something for us to talk about. Like, I know there are plenty of TV shows where it just creates drama to sell magazines, to blah blah blah, to blah blah blah, to blah blah blah. And a month goes by and then we've forgotten about it. So how important is it? Whereas, now this really grinds my gears a little bit, was one of the TV shows that I'm really impressed with at the moment, Australian Spartan, where teams of 3 people go through ridiculous obstacle courses, proving themselves, pushing themselves to the limit, working as a team. It's inspiring, it's great, it's action-packed, and it should be what entertainment is about. Something inspiring, somebody doing something different. It almost got taken off the air by this other TV show, Married at First Sight, where they marry 2 people then and there on the spot. I think it's their first meeting. I'm not entirely too sure, I don't actually watch the show, but that's what it entails, and people love it. Because, this person doesn't like this, and it's just useless drama. But why do we watch it? Why are we so invested in other people's lives? Is it to detract from ourselves? Do we think our own lives are that uninteresting that we need these big spectacles of things? What is it that draws us to watching this car crash of personalities, of lives, So, like, this is marriage. This is a legally binding marriage, so I'm led to believe, where, it could ruin these people's lives, but they want it for their 5 minutes of fame. And, I often get people saying about the Olympics too, they can't wait till the Olympics is off TV, and stuff where, these are prime athletes working their asses off, competing not only against other countries, they're competing against the clock and against themselves, bettering themselves. But it just doesn't create the viewers as it does anymore. So, I want to put it to you. Are you a drama addict? Do you watch these shows, these MTV trashy TV shows where they have all these personalities in a house, trying to stir them up, trying to start fights? Why? Why do you do it? What's so interesting about that to you? Because I know it certainly doesn't interest me that much. I'd rather watch, a well put together TV show that has some mystery, some intrigue, something substantial in it. Something where you feel fulfilled for watching it. Not just all that negativity, drama, crap, just coming at you. And also, take a look at your own life as well. What's happening in your own life? Is the stuff you're seeing there then reflected in that life? Do you create unnecessary drama? Do you create these unnecessary or extreme scenarios for yourself where, I don't know, maybe you cheat, maybe you talk behind other people's backs, or maybe you're just so invested in other people's drama and gossiping and everything like that that you're creating this sort of environment for yourself. One of the reasons I think it is because people do seem bored with their lives, They don't actually feel comfortable with themselves, so it makes them feel better to look at other people in that negative sort of light, to sort of boost themselves above them. Another reason is that, they're bored. Like, we're so used to being stimulated these days. We have YouTube, we have TVs, we have our mobile phones, we have games, apps, everything designed to distract and take our attention away constantly. I'm starting to see a trend where people don't even have goals anymore. They just want to work, do the 9 to 5, maybe go on a holiday, and that's about it. I see all this drama and stuff as such a massive distraction that people aren't, focusing on what's important, trying to help others, trying to put those goals into place, get a house, get a property, get a promotion, all that sort of stuff is just going by the wayside. But anyway guys, that's a couple of my thoughts on what I see whenever I turn on the TV. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.